Hello everyone. Good evening. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you guys?
Good, sir.
All
Good.
okay? Okay, good, good, good. So expecting more people to join. Okay, meanwhile, let's start our session. So the session is going to be very interesting. We'll try to explore new things today in the SD-WAN, and I will try to test your knowledge as well, right? So we'll have some Q&A, right? And I just wanted to understand how much knowledge you have, guys, in the SD-WAN especially, okay? So I'll try to ask simple questions, right? Because we are starting, so even I want to know like how much awareness you have regarding the SD-WAN. So we'll have some Q&A sessions. It's just for the basic understanding. It's not like you have to be answer something is wrong or right. You can just guess it, right? What is the right, what is the wrong, and based on that we'll try to understand like different section, how it is going to help SD-WAN to understand those kind of the questions, right? So let me put the first question in front of you all here. Let me what I use. Let me, if I can use it, let me try to put it here. Okay. So meanwhile, we are waiting for other people. Who is going to answer this question? What protocol is used by Cisco SD-WAN for data plane communication between the SD-WAN devices? There will be some time.
TTLS,
TLS.
TLS,
TLS.
TTLS, TLS.
Very nice, very nice. So who all answer first? Dipans, Imtiaz and Dipans, right?
That's
Very nice, guys. Thank you so much. So I know that people are who are new, जो लोग भी नए हो, right? You don't know what is a TLS and what is a DTLS, right? So SD-WAN is going to use the protocol for data plane communication. It's the more important data plane communication between the SD-WAN devices. So BGP, OSPF, GRE is for basically control plane traffic. Data plane is always going to form like whatever the control communication is going to be happen for TLS and DTLS, that is going to use. So TLS, DTLS is the correct answer. Let's move to another questions, right? And let me see who have the right answer. So let me put a little bit tougher one. Let me think, which can we do that? Okay, just simple one. Let me just put the simple one again. So let me put it here if I can. So what is the primary benefits of the Cisco SD-WAN? May I know what is the primary benefits of Cisco SD-WAN? Who is going to answer this?
B, improve network scalability and simplified management.
Very nice, superb. It's a correct answer, right? So the primary benefit, we have the lot of benefits here. You can see they are giving the option like this is the how you're going to get exam questions as well, guys. So just I want to give 4 or 5 questions to just make you the understanding. So they are talking about what is the primary benefit of Cisco SD-WAN. So increase the power consumption. That's make like no sense to me. Reduce security feature, right? So if security is going to reduce, then there is no benefits, right? Security should be improved because, right, we have to be very secure network environment. So that is also going to be eliminated. Increase network latency. If latency is going to be increased, then performance of the application is going to definitely no use. So the correct answer is, in this case, correct answer is the B, improve the network scalability and simplified management. And this for the answer is D. So in both case, the correct answer I got from the audience. Let me put the third questions now. So let me see. Okay, so again, it's a simple one. Dipanshu, if you already know that, I would like to give the opportunity to other people. Okay,
Okay.
just can paste me 1 to 1 if you already know. I want to see other person opinion. So guys, here is a question. Which component is responsible for managing the control plane in Cisco SD-WAN architecture? So it's a bit tricky one. So I want to listen from everyone except Dipendra this time.
I think V edge router.
Okay, very nice. One answer I get. That is a VH router. Okay,
vBond orchestra.
we want two answer.
This
What
is
vBond,
vManage.
vBond orchestrator.
we want? So three answer. What else?
vSmart, vSmart controller.
vSmart. So I got four answer.
No, I think C is right. vManage.
vManage. Okay. Updating that. Okay, it's okay. I know you guys are going to learn this all, right? But still, I'm just trying to figure it out. Which component is responsible? I'm just giving the hint. Managing control plane traffic. Control planes means routing. I'm making the routing
Oh,
traffic.
yes. I think I was wrong.
So which one? Now you guys tell me. Control means it's the routing. Which one is going to responsible?
I think that is smart. vSmart.
Dipansu, Dipendra, you also agree?
Yeah. vSmart.
Yeah, this is the correct answer. Okay, guys. So if you don't know what is a vSmart, what is a vBond, what is a vH, what is the vBond, I'll explain today class. Okay. So you hold your thoughts, but I just want to make some fun. So at least you guys understand what is the vBond, what is the vSmart and all. Now the next question. Okay. Let me see how many we have the good understanding. So the next question I can use. Let me see. Okay. So policy would be the toughest. Let me see the easiest way. Okay, so might be this could be the one question. Okay, so it's a bit tricky one, but you guys try to think about. You know, in Cisco SD-WAN, we keep talking about the transport. Transport is service provider, right? Means like we have the MPLS circuit, we have the internet circuit, we have the 4G, 5G, different circuits we have, right? So this is asking which of the following transport method is not supported by the SD-WAN? Means you have to answer which all transport method is supported by the SD-WAN and which is not supported by the SD-WAN. So we have the option, the first option is MPLS. This is a one type transport. This is the 4G, 5G, or one other type transport. Satellite is another type transport, and token ring is another type transport. So which one is not supported by? Any guess? Anyone?
Satellite.
CND.
Satellites? Yes, it's very close. Any other answer?
CND.
A, right?
CND both.
Okay, so yeah, technically C and D is correct, right? But you know, vSat link, you have heard about the vSat link? vSat link.
Yes, sir.
Over vSat link, also we can do the IP communication. So even satellite is going to act as a transport. So A, B, C is the like always going to part of the transport. Token ring is not going to be part of the transport. So we can use that one, right? So the correct answer, it's a close, it's a confusion right here, but we can use the token ring as a correct answer. Okay,
So
guys.
token ring is a kind of frame relay.
Token ring is like, you know, if you heard about the TCP/IP, like we have the different topology. So token ring is kind of the, you know, based on the token you're doing the transmission of the IP packets. So that's a token ring. Frame relay is something different, right?
Okay.
Okay, so the last question which I'm going to ask you, let me find the last questions for you all. Let me see. Let me please mute, guys. Please mute yourself if you're not going to speak. Let me find the one of the question for you all. Okay. So yeah, it's the easy one. Let me ask the easy one. So you guys tell me, which feature of the Cisco SD-WAN help ensure the secure connectivity between the branch location? Means you have to refer this topology. Means one branch is this, one branch is this. So if I want to talk securely from this branch to this branch, so which protocol is going to make this secure connectivity between these two branches? Right? And here is your question.
IPsec.
Hemant, option.
IPsec.
IPsec tunnel.
IPsec.
Very nice, guys. You already know SD-WAN. No need of this class. All right, so the correct answer is IPsec. It's a secure method because DMVPN definitely it is going to be work as a secure method, but SD-WAN doesn't support a DMVPN, right? It support the IPsec. MPLS is not going to use here. Application aware routing is going to use, but it's just for the application aware routing protocol. Application based routing we're going to do that, and based on that we can do the different manipulations based on the application. But actual security, how it is going to happen, that is going to happen based on the your IPsec tunnel. Okay.
Sir,
So
if you want to answer like why not DMVPN? Because DMVPN is although dynamic multi-protocol VPN, but it's still works either I think on the GRE. I'm not sure. I'm forgot.
yes, they use the GRE property, GRE over IPsec, right? They have the two concept MGRE and GRE.
Yeah.
So basically DMVPN use the property of the MGRE, like they use the dynamic tunnel creation and all. So if you talk about the DMVPN solution before the SD-WAN, DMVPN was the only solution to just make the secure communication over the internet. But that was not scalable for the wider network, and also they have some kind of the limitations. Like if you talk about they're not able to connect with the multiple application at the same time based on the application or routings. They having a dependency till your regional or might be the global data center connectivity. But if I want to extend my connectivity to cloud providers, SaaS based providers, so that is going to create a different problem for you. So that's why, and also you have to maintain a lot of tunnel, and all tunnel dependency is going to happen with the hub routers. So all routing is going to happen with the one central location. So that is also a problem. So to eliminate those all problems, we use the IPsec tunnel. This is going to create the IPsec tunnel, branch to branch IPsec tunnel is going to be created. And based on that, basically your all traffic is going to be secure end to end for the any branch to any other branch. So we'll discuss about that, right? So we are good. Everyone recharge, right? About the SD-WAN. Shall we start our study? All okay, guys? Okay.
Yes, sir.